Imagine a car from the early 1920s that looks more like a futuristic spaceship than a vintage automobile. What if I told you this vehicle had a shape so advanced it predicted modern aerodynamic design decades before it became standard? Meet the Aurel Persu Streamliner, a machine built on one radical idea: cutting through air with minimal resistance. At a time when cars were boxy and inefficient, this Romanian invention quietly redefined what a car could be. So why did this revolutionary design remain largely unknown? The Aurel Persu Streamliner was born from a simple yet groundbreaking philosophy: air resistance is the enemy of speed and efficiency. Inspired by aeronautics and natural teardrop forms, Romanian engineer Aurel Persu envisioned a car that would move through air, not fight against it. Unlike the boxy, carriage-inspired vehicles of the 1920s, Persu's design followed a fully streamlined shape with wheels enclosed within the body, something unheard of at the time. His goal was to create a vehicle where airflow remained smooth and uninterrupted, drastically reducing drag. This wasn't just styling. It was science applied to mobility, decades before aerodynamics became a core principle in automotive engineering. Underneath its unusual exterior, the Persu Streamliner featured a custom-built chassis designed specifically to support its aerodynamic goals. Unlike conventional ladder frames of the era, this structure had to accommodate a narrowing rear track, meaning the rear wheels were placed closer together than the front. This unusual configuration allowed the body to taper smoothly into a teardrop shape. Every engineering decision revolved around airflow efficiency. The integration of wheels into the body required precise structural planning, ensuring stability despite the unconventional proportions. In essence, Persu wasn't modifying existing automotive architecture. He was reinventing it from the ground up. The Persu Streamliner's most striking innovation was its true aerodynamic form. While other cars had exposed wheels that disrupted airflow, Persu enclosed them within the body, achieving a drag coefficient estimated around 0.22, remarkably close to modern vehicles. The car's narrow rear axle reduced turbulence, while the long, smooth body minimized air separation. Its rear engine layout further contributed to balanced airflow and weight distribution. Though primitive by modern standards, this configuration was revolutionary in 1922. Persu effectively demonstrated that shape alone could dramatically improve efficiency, proving that performance wasn't just about engine power. It was also about how intelligently a vehicle interacted with the air around it. Powering the Persu Streamliner was a relatively modest engine typical of early 1920s automobiles. However, thanks to its aerodynamic efficiency, the car could achieve respectable performance without needing excessive horsepower. This was one of Persu's key arguments: efficiency over brute force. The reduced drag meant less energy was required to maintain speed, improving fuel economy and range. Over its lifetime, the car proved reliable enough for long-distance travel across Europe. While it didn't undergo major engine upgrades, its performance remained impressive for its time, not because of raw power, but because of how effectively it utilized every bit of energy. The body of the Persu Streamliner was its defining feature: a smooth, continuous teardrop form constructed primarily from metal panels over a lightweight frame. Its design was heavily influenced by aircraft fuselages, prioritizing airflow above all else. The fully enclosed wheels gave it a futuristic appearance, even by today's standards. Inside, the cabin was simple and functional, reflecting the experimental nature of the vehicle. Comfort was secondary to innovation, but the layout still allowed for practical use. The narrow rear design created a unique silhouette, blending engineering necessity with visual elegance. It wasn't just a car, it was a moving aerodynamic experiment. Despite its experimental nature, the Persu Streamliner wasn't confined to a laboratory. It was driven extensively on real roads. Aurel Persu himself used the car for long-distance journeys across Europe, proving its practicality and reliability. Reports suggest it covered tens of thousands of kilometers, navigating the rough and often unpredictable road conditions of the era. Its aerodynamic efficiency translated into smoother travel and better fuel economy. However, its unconventional design also drew curiosity and skepticism from the public. While it didn't enter mass production, it successfully demonstrated that radical innovation could function in the real world, not just in theory. Unlike many experimental vehicles that were lost to time, the Persu Streamliner survived. Today, it is preserved in Romania, recognized as a pioneering achievement in automotive history. Over the years, it has been displayed in museums, allowing new generations to witness its revolutionary design firsthand. Its preservation is a testament to its significance, not just as a curiosity, but as a milestone in engineering. While it never achieved commercial success, its survival ensures that Aurel Persu's vision continues to inspire engineers, designers, and automotive enthusiasts around the world. The true impact of the Aurel Persu Streamliner lies in its forward-thinking approach to aerodynamics. Long before wind tunnels became standard in automotive design, Persu demonstrated the importance of streamlined shapes. His ideas influenced later developments in automotive engineering, from mid-century concept cars to modern electric vehicles optimized for efficiency. The enclosed wheels, tapered body, and emphasis on airflow can be seen in many vehicles today. Persu proved that innovation doesn't always come from large manufacturers. It can come from a single visionary willing to challenge convention. His work remains a powerful reminder that the future often begins with bold, unconventional ideas. The Aurel Persu Streamliner isn't just an old car. It's a glimpse into the future, imagined nearly a century too early. It challenged norms, redefined efficiency, and proved that design could be as powerful as engineering. Even today, its influence echoes in every streamlined vehicle on the road. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of history's most overlooked innovations, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. What other forgotten inventions should we explore next?